Hook, ever tried to send or receive international payments with Monzo and wondered, where's that SWIFT code? Context: in today's globalized world, SWIFT codes are essential for seamless international transactions. They're like digital passports for banks, uniquely identifying them worldwide. But when it comes to Monzo, the question arises, does this innovative digital bank have a SWIFT code? Teaser: let's dive into the details and find out. Body: understanding SWIFT codes. Explain what a SWIFT code is and how it works. Discuss the importance of SWIFT codes in international banking. Use simple analogies or examples to make the concept easy to understand. Monzo's unique approach. Introduce Monzo as a digital bank with a focus on simplicity and convenience. Highlight Monzo's innovative features and how it differs from traditional banks. The SWIFT code question. Directly address the main question of the video: does Monzo have a SWIFT code? Create suspense by briefly withholding the answer. The answer: Monzo's alternative. Reveal that Monzo doesn't have a traditional SWIFT code. Explain Monzo's alternative method for international payments. Discuss the benefits and drawbacks of this approach compared to traditional SWIFT codes. Real-world examples. Share personal experiences or anecdotes about using Monzo for international transactions. Use case studies to illustrate how Monzo's alternative method works in practice. Comparison with other digital banks. Compare Monzo's approach to other digital banks that might have SWIFT codes. Highlight the advantages or disadvantages of each method. Frequently asked questions. Address common questions or concerns related to Monzo's international payment system. Provide clear and concise answers to help viewers understand the process. Additional tips. If applicable, mention any recent updates or changes to Monzo's international payment system. Provide contact information or links to Monzo's official website for further assistance. Outro. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Call to action. Encourage viewers to try Monzo or explore their international payment options. Closing statement. So, while Monzo might not have a traditional SWIFT code, it offers a unique and convenient way to send and receive money internationally. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.